This is Sketchup basic building tutorial. First of all, we can use the rectangle to make the slab in here, approximately like this. We can just make the simple building in Sketchup, then we can push it up, and it's about 700 millimeter. You can triple click. Okay, then make component. Then we can select move, tab control, place to this position. Then we can set the floor to floor distance. It's around 5 meter. Enter. Okay, and again we can duplicate it again like this, or we can duplicate it one more in here. Okay, now we can make the structure. We can make the structure with using the rotate rectangle. The structure is approximately 900 and 700. Okay, then we can push it to the bottom in here, and we can make component, create. We can select move, tab control, place to the position. Okay, then we can select move, tab control, place to this position. Then we can type 3/ and enter in here. Now we can offset all of the slab in here around 1 meter. Okay, then we can push it down like this. Then we can erase additional line. Okay, so this is about the basic structure, about the slab and the column, but we assumption we make the slab is simplify with thickness based on the beam thickness for the common beam thickness in here. Then now we can make the frame. Okay, we can make the frame in here like this. Okay, I will show you about the dimension about the frame. Approximately 150, and the depth is 250 approximately. Okay, now we can make component, create, then we can select the metal. Now we can select the aluminum. We can select move, tab control, and place to the position. Then we can type 8/ and enter. So about the distance between the frame is 2.6 meter, or if it's too large, we can make it smaller. Then we can type 12/ and enter. Okay, now we can triple click and push it up around 1.5 meter, enter. Okay, now we can make the top boundaries frame in here and make unique. Then we can select move, duplicate. We can duplicate to this position. I'm sorry. Okay, we can click and move and place to this position. Then we can type 4/ and enter like this. And now we can triple click, and okay, now we can place this frame in here. Okay, so this is the one side of the frame. Now we can duplicate this one. We can rotate 90 degree and place to the another position like this. Okay, now we can select move, tab control, and place to the position. Then we can type 5/ and enter. Okay, now we can click this one and select rotate to this position, and don't forget to make unique. Okay, then we can place to the position. Okay, now we can duplicate Okay, we can duplicate and type 5 slash and enter. I'm sorry, 1 2 3 4. We can make 4 slash and enter. Okay, like this, so it equals with the another side way. Then now we can select the frame, except this one, right click and make group. And now we can select this frame. Okay, right click and make group. Okay, now we can select move, tab control. We can flip with I'm sorry, we can flip with red, and also this one. Okay, we can flip with using the green. Okay, okay, it's done. And then now we can make the glazing system. We can make the glazing system in here. This is the way how to make the glazing system fast with SketchUp tools. Now we can type 20 millimeter and click to the position. Can triple click, make group, and assign the glaze materials. Okay, just like this. Okay, we can right click, make unique, and offset it inside around 150 millimeter. Okay, but we can close this one. And this is for the support building anyway. This is just for supporting building to access in here anyway for schematic. And then now we can make the glazing again in here. We can set the thickness and place to this position. Okay, now we can make the another decoration. We can make the another decoration with using this one, like this. I'm sorry. Okay, now we can make the decoration in here. And also in here. Okay, now we can union this one. Okay, so this is about the simple decoration. And then this is the aluminum composite panel, so we can select line and place to this position. Then we can type 4 slash and enter. Okay, or we can move, sorry, we can move 2.2 meter and x9. Okay, can cut, paste in place. Okay, and erase some unnecessary line. Okay, we can cut, paste in place, and erase unnecessary line over there, like this. And then we can continue. 2.2 meter. Okay, we can cut and paste in place and erase some unnecessary line over there. Okay, now we can sign with another color. Or we can choose the attractive color over there. Okay, and then now we can make the another canopy elements in here. Okay, I mean this is the correct one. Okay, we can make it component, create, and we can move a little bit to the front, and also we can push it up to this position. Now we can select move, tab control, and place to this position. Sorry, we can place to this position. Then we can type 30 slash and enter. Sorry, it's too massive. We can type 5 slash and enter. Okay, now we can move a little bit in here in this position. Okay, and then we can make the connection in here. Okay, this is the connection. We can copy and paste in place. And now we can select the glazing in here. Okay, And then now we can select the flooring approximately to this position. Then we can place the another elements over there and here to make it look like commercial building. Okay, then we can activate the shadow. Okay, select this. Then now we can setting the shadow. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, then we can set the 2-point perspective, just like this, and we can add the component. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.